who would believe it? You know, who would think that a mosquito bite takes everything?
Well, the active monsoons brought us a lot of rain, and it's created the perfect breeding ground for mosquitoes. At least 2 people have now died from West Nile virus in Maricopa County this year. One of them is a Chandler man who passed away a couple of weeks after a bite, and his family is sharing their story with Spencer Blake.
What surprised John Warren's family most about the West Nile virus is how quickly he went from being very healthy to being non-responsive.
John Warren was not one to sit around the house. If he wasn't out walking the dog, he was fishing. He just spent his birthday at Topgolf.
You wouldn't know he was 70 years old if you talked to him. I don't know, he's an active guy.
Skeeter Arvizu is a grandson John raised as a son. He says his papa started complaining of a headache on August 20th that didn't go away. Eventually, he was in so much pain and so severely confused, they took him to the ER.
Seeing my dad in a hospital bed in itself is very difficult, but there was times he didn't know who I was.
The meningitis, swelling of the brain, and a stroke, doctors found, were all caused by the West Nile virus. The health-conscious grandpa who had already survived COVID didn't ever get better.
You hear about it, but I've never heard stories of just how dangerous it is.
Maricopa County is reporting more than 50 cases of West Nile this year, compared to just 3 total cases in 2020. John was the latest West Nile death this year. Now, as his family plans his memorial, they just want others to be careful during mosquito season.
It's real, and it's happening, and it's impacting people's lives.
If he had a chance to have known this, he would have, used the bug spray, maybe been a little bit more cautious out in the yard.
Public Health has been in contact with Warren's wife to get information about his West Nile case. The county also told the family that they came here to fog for mosquitoes in several blocks near Pecos and Cooper. In Chandler, Spencer Blake for Arizona's Family.